62 feet even. All right, 226 feet even, 226 feet even. $266 and 3 inches. And Richard McClung, he give the case of the oil for the local yokel. Mighty Diesel, Brian Vaness, Napa, Ravenswood, Ripley, and Spencer, and Mountain River Physical Therapy. He had a distance of 250 feet. Shamblin with a distance of 227 feet and 11 inches. All right, Brian Epley had a pull of 211 feet and 2 inches. All right, 202 feet and 3 inches. All right, Josh Miracle with an 02 Ford from Ripley. $222 feet even, 222 feet even. $180 feet and 9 inches, 180 and 9. All right, for Tyler Payne, 230 feet and 3 inches, 230 and 3. At 165 feet even. Well, let's give Miss Miranda Moore a big round of applause. She's your new leader. 267 feet even, 267 and 0. Fifth place. place goes to Melanie Vaness from Ravenswood. 6th place goes to Robin Burgess from Spencer. 7th place goes to Mike Burgess from Spencer. 8th place goes to Zach Vaness. 9th place goes to Alley Cat Myers. He had a distance of 163 feet and 6 inches. A good old cup of homemade ice cream made the old-fashioned way. All right, that was Mr. Roldaker from Leon, West Virginia, with 218 feet and 8 inches. All right, let's give him a big round of applause. 198 feet. 198 feet even. $178 feet and 3 inches. Yeah, let's give her a big round of applause. Burning rubber on the dirt track. That's pretty good. 168 feet and 9 inches. 168 and 9. All right, Stanley Moore from Reedy. If you can't pull it, just bounce it down the track. 203 feet and 3 inches. 203 and 3. We have a new leader. 282 feet and 11 inches. 282 and 11.
Challenge going on. They are shooting for that $4,000 mark.